Looking for a watercolor paint set that gives you plenty of colors, useful accessories, and beginner-friendly features without spending a fortune? The Grabie 50 Colors Watercolor Paint Set has become one of the most talked about watercolor kits online, with thousands of buyers choosing it for everything from sketching and journaling to travel painting and learning watercolor techniques. But is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another art kit with good marketing? In this review, we're going to take a closer look at what you get, how it performs, who it's best for, and whether it's worth your money in 2026. Let's get started. Quick product overview. The Grabie 50 Colors Watercolor Paint Set is an all-in-one watercolor painting kit designed for beginners, hobbyists, students, and casual artists. Inside the compact metal case, you'll find 50 watercolor colors, multiple paintbrushes, a built-in mixing area, and a portable design that's easy to carry almost anywhere. The biggest selling point here is convenience. Instead of buying paints, brushes, and accessories separately, Grabie combines everything into one ready-to-use kit. This makes it particularly appealing for people who are just getting started with watercolor painting or anyone looking for a travel-friendly painting solution. If you'd like to check the latest price, available discounts, or customer reviews for the Grabie 50 Colors Watercolor Paint Set, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. Features and benefits. 50 vibrant watercolor colors. The first thing you'll notice is the large variety of colors. Having 50 shades available means you can start painting immediately without constantly mixing colors to achieve basic tones. For beginners, this reduces frustration and helps speed up the learning process. For more experienced artists, it provides flexibility when creating landscapes, illustrations, floral artwork, and sketchbook projects. The colors are designed to activate quickly with water and produce transparent watercolor effects. Included brush set. Another useful feature is the inclusion of multiple paintbrushes. Many starter kits include low-quality accessories that need replacing almost immediately. Here, the included brushes give new artists everything needed to begin painting right out of the box. This saves additional costs and makes the kit more beginner-friendly. Instead of researching which brushes to buy, users can simply open the case and start creating. Built-in mixing palette. One of the most practical features is the integrated mixing area. Color mixing is an important part of watercolor painting. Having a dedicated mixing space inside the case allows artists to experiment with custom shades without needing extra equipment. This is especially helpful when painting outdoors or while traveling. Portable metal storage case. Portability is one of the strongest advantages of this kit. The metal case keeps everything organized and protected. Whether you're traveling, attending classes, sketching outdoors, or simply storing your supplies at home, the compact design makes transportation easy. Many artists appreciate not having loose supplies scattered around in different containers. Beginner-friendly design. Perhaps the biggest benefit is accessibility. Watercolor painting can feel intimidating for new artists. The Grabie kit removes many barriers by providing a complete setup that requires minimal preparation. Everything is organized, easy to access, and ready to use. That simplicity can make a big difference for someone learning the basics. Real-world use cases. Let's talk about where this kit actually shines. For beginners, if you've never used watercolor paints before, this kit offers a straightforward starting point. You get enough colors to experiment with different techniques while learning color theory and brush control. For students, art students often need portable supplies that fit into backpacks and travel easily between home and class. The compact design works well for this purpose. For hobby artists, many people enjoy painting as a relaxing creative activity. This kit provides a convenient setup for sketchbooks, journals, greeting cards, and personal projects for travel artists. Because everything fits neatly into a single case, it's easy to carry on trips, vacations, outdoor sketching sessions, or urban painting adventures. The portable format is one of its biggest strengths. Pros: large color selection. 50 colors provide a wide range of creative possibilities. Users can spend more time painting and less time mixing basic shades. Complete starter package. Paints, brushes, mixing space, and storage are all included. This makes the setup process simple and convenient. Travel-friendly design. The compact metal case is durable, organized, and easy to transport. Good value for money. Considering the number of colors and included accessories, the kit offers strong value for beginners and hobbyists. Easy to use. The beginner-focused design makes watercolor painting more approachable for new artists. No product is perfect, and there are a few limitations worth mentioning. May not replace professional artist-grade paints. Advanced artists who require premium pigments and maximum color performance may prefer higher-end professional watercolor brands. Limited brush variety. While the included brushes are useful, some experienced painters may eventually want specialized brushes for specific techniques. Compact mixing area. The built-in palette is convenient, but artists working on larger projects may prefer additional mixing space. Performance review. Build quality. The metal case feels sturdy and designed for regular transportation. It helps protect the paints while keeping everything organized, ease of use. This is one of the strongest areas of the product. The layout is simple, beginner-friendly, and requires very little setup durability. With proper care, the storage case and paint pans should provide long-term usability for casual and hobby use. Painting experience. The variety of colors and built-in mixing area make painting enjoyable and convenient. The included accessories allow users to begin immediately without additional purchases. Value for money. This is where the Grabie kit performs particularly well. Considering the number of colors, included brushes, and portable storage solution, it offers a compelling package for its price range. Who should buy it? This product is ideal for beginners learning watercolor painting, students, hobby artists, journal and sketchbook creators, travel painters, gift buyers looking for an art kit. You may want alternatives if you're a professional watercolor artist, you require premium artist-grade pigments, you need advanced professional level tools. Final verdict. So, is the Grabie 50 Colors Watercolor Paint Set worth buying? For beginners, students, hobbyists, and casual artists, the answer is yes. It offers a large color selection, included brushes, portable design, and beginner-friendly convenience in one compact package. While professional artists may eventually outgrow it, most users will find it provides excellent value and a fun introduction to watercolor painting. Overall rating. 8.8 out of 10 A well-rounded watercolor kit that balances affordability, convenience, and creative flexibility. If you'd like to check the latest price, available discounts, or customer reviews for the Grabie 50 Colors Watercolor Paint Set, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. And if this review helped you make a buying decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides.